Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss on how I increased LinkedIn engagement for my client business, which resulted in more inbound leads, guys. Alright, so I'll share some hacks with you, then with some examples and some practicals. Alright, so the first important factor is maximize your personal profile. Personal profile gets more views and encourage higher engagement as you are able to send connection request or personal messages, right? Okay, so actually people also prefer to engage with and follow actual people rather than the companies. So let's do some practicals. Okay, so first over linkedin.com. Yes. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll click on personal profile. Okay, so this is the personal profile which I have created. Alright, so I help to increase sales and revenue in your business, right? So this is personal profile. You need to add some tagline, what benefit you will offer to your end client. Then you can add your CTA, that's called to action, your contact number. Okay, so scroll down, then you can add a lot of posts here. You can add good information in your about section which is going to help your business. Then you can add your experience section as well. Okay, so I'll move to the next slide. You have to keep your information updated. Okay, let's say, have you mastered a new skill, or have you started a new position, or gained a new accomplishment? Be sure to add to this your profile. Okay guys, so it's important that you have to keep your information updated on the LinkedIn profile. Okay, so this is how it is. This is your LinkedIn profile and your information has to be completely updated. For new skills, new accomplishment, new positions, you have to add it here in your experience section, in your tagline as well. Or if you have acquired any new skills, you can add it here as well. Okay, I hope this makes sense. Yes. Then you have to use professional photos. Your headshot says a lot about you guys, so it's best to use high quality and professional photo. Okay, so this is how it is. You have to use professional photos. Okay, your headshot says a lot about your business. You need to make sure that you need to add the key benefit for your business. What benefit are you going to give to your dream customer? So this is something you have to keep in mind. All right, so make sure you have some good USPs, and those USPs need to be written in your cover photo as well as in your tagline. Okay, then you have to highlight your assets. For example, adding relevant skills and experience that will help you to create more opportunities for people to connect with you, especially when they see that you are actually going to match their requirement. You have to be very specific about your achievements, your language spoken, your volunteer work, awards, patent, or causes. The most important thing, guys, that's very helpful is you have to use descriptive keywords to attract potential clients and partners. Let's say you are in the business of car accessories or you are a car manufacturer. So, how will you find descriptive keywords? Okay, so I'll go to Google. So, let's say you want to tap the Indian market. Okay, so I'll say car accessories. Okay, so first you'll find a list of long tail keywords. So we have installed certain Google Chrome extensions here. Okay, so this is Neil Patel Uber Suggest. It's there. Okay, so you get a lot of long tail keywords here. For example, interior car accessories, store for car accessories, cool car accessories. So these type of keyword lists you can use in your LinkedIn marketing as well. Okay, so you get the volume CPC and the difficulty score as well. Okay, so we have also installed keyword everywhere. So this gives you trending keyword for your business. Car accessories for women, car hanging accessories. So I suggest guys that make sure you install these Google Chrome extensions on your laptop. One is keyword everywhere and one is Neil Patel Uber Suggest. So this list can actually help your LinkedIn. Yeah, so this is going to help you. A long list, guys. So you get a complete list of long tail keywords as well. Alright, so as we discussed, your assets on your LinkedIn profile are your skills and experience. So you have to consistently keep on updating your skills and experience in your LinkedIn profile so that it becomes easier for your target customer to connect with you. Okay, then you have to integrate the keyword in your LinkedIn profile so that users can find you via keywords. Next is publishing native videos. Okay, so what happens is if you upload native video on LinkedIn, okay, that will actually perform much better than external links. Okay, because LinkedIn wants its user to be on their own platform. Okay, and LinkedIn will first prefer native content and with less time and effort. Okay, so native videos can last from 3 seconds to 10 minutes, but those under 90 seconds are known to deliver the best results. Okay, so they can also autoplay on mute, so adding subtitles catches people attention and it boosts engagement as well, guys. So I suggest that you should publish native videos. Make sure your videos are fun, informative, and relevant to your network. Alright, guys, so let me see if I can show you some examples here. See, this Okay, he has uploaded the native video. See this. See the engagement. 389 people have given like to the native video, plus it has 46 comments. Right? Guys, I suggest that please upload native videos on your LinkedIn platform. This is going to help you out. Then you have to expand your content mix as well, guys. Okay, so your content mix could be monthly, bi-weekly, weekly, or it could be twice a week or thrice a week. Alright, so once you are actually writing social media update on LinkedIn or you're publishing LinkedIn article, the most important thing is you have to proofread. Okay, so you have to maintain good grammar and correct spelling shows that you are credible and authentic. Okay, so your grammatical skills should be excellent. So that gives the first impression to your target audience that you are authentic and thus encourage people to trust or engage with you. So what you could do is you can check your post multiple times before you publish them. Okay, so either you could consult a co-worker or utilize online checkers to ensure that your content is error free. So I'll give you one hack, guys. So I suggest, okay, open google.com. Okay, so Grammarly Google Chrome extension. Okay, so install this extension. Okay, and this extension will do your job to check for grammatical errors, and your content will be free from grammatical errors, guys. So it's important that you always proofread your content. So please install this extension right away. All right. I hope I could add some value. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help you. Then, what is more important is you have to ask for recommendations. Recommendations provide validation that you are effective and established in your work. Okay, so that's very important, guys. People need to recommend you. So what you can do is you can ask professional contacts and clients to share their experience of working with you and what you have accomplished with them. Aim to have at least 4 to 5 recommendations, which you can also use as a set when you pitch your services to new businesses. Okay, so let me show you some live examples. Okay, so I'll click on my personal profile, view profile. Okay, so I'm on the personal LinkedIn profile here, right? So I click on more. Yeah, so they share profile in a message, save to PDF, with a resume. So you can also save your profile to PDF. Okay, Okay, so you will see here I got a lot of recommendations. Okay, received and given. Okay, so some good recommendations I received over here as well. Yeah, so you could see that. Himanshu Nanda, Gagandeep, Amna Singh, I received almost close to 10 recommendations as well. Okay, so guys, it's important that you need to receive recommendations. So how to receive recommendations? If you want that, please ask me in the comment section. I'll answer in the comments. If at all you want recommendation for your business, please ask me a question in the comments. I'll give you an answer in the comment section. All right. Then what you could do is you could join or create relevant groups. Joining industry related groups actually helps you monitor competitors to see what information they are sharing and their success and gap. This further helps you to better target your market and gives insights into potential customers. So you can craft content that offers them solutions and address their need. Okay, let's say you are into car manufacturing business, so car dealers are your prospective audience, right? So let's do a quick exercise over here. I go to google.com. Okay, so a simple hack: car dealers plus Bangalore plus India plus LinkedIn groups. Okay, so either you could use Google search for this to find LinkedIn groups, or you could find car dealers as well. Okay, so see, Group Shaman Mumbai is one of the eminent car dealers. So you could find personal LinkedIn profiles or LinkedIn groups from Google search as well. Okay, now let's say you want to find car dealers LinkedIn groups. So I'll say car dealers. Okay, so let's do a quick search. Car dealers. So let's try to find something. Okay, so let's do one thing. Okay, so let's say I input the query car dealers. So I'll click on the group section. See guys, here are your target customers. Digital car dealers, it has 16.4k members guys. Okay, so you have to join these type of LinkedIn groups where your target customer is residing, and this is how you are going to grow more business. Okay, so if at all you have any questions on how to generate leads with LinkedIn groups, you can ask me in the comments. I'll answer your query. All right, so see, car sharing dealers. So I'll scroll down over here. You should join those groups which have highest members and highest engagements. Canadian auto dealer. Okay, so I'll click on next. So I'll scroll down and do some filtering. So let's say ask Patty, automotive advice for women. Okay, I hope you got it right how to find LinkedIn groups. Yeah. Then, what is more important is engage with others. Okay, so I'll show you how to engage. A great way to boost LinkedIn engagement is to interact with and provide actual value to others. So when you like and comment on people post, they're more likely to do the same on yours as well. Comments on your own post to spark discussions within your community. Okay? Ask for feedback and respond to those who comment back. You have to seek people ideas and be open to have conversations with them. Okay, guys, so you have to offer thought provoking topics that could encourage people to connect with you. Okay, so now let's say I want to do the engagement here. Okay, so I'll reopen LinkedIn. Alright, how I'm going to engage. Car dealers. Okay, so here you'll have different options: people, groups, job, post, companies. So I want to engage with people, so I click on people. Okay, so let's say I'll scroll down here. So let's say he is the operations manager at Mumbai's Car Dealer Association. I click on LinkedIn member. Okay, I don't have access to this profile, so let's use some personal things here. I click on next. Okay, so I believe so he's a guy, Rajveer Singh. He's a business owner at Scrap Car Dealer, Scrap Car, Delhi. Okay, so how will you engage? Okay, so this is his personal profile over here, right? So I'll click on the activity section. So first thing is you have to see if he's really active. Check his articles, post, documents. If it's not active, just leave it. Okay, so click on car dealers again. Okay, so it's okay. You can consult car dealers, say in Bangalore. Okay, so let's say, for example, this is a guy, Muhammad Asad, export car consultants, or Madhavraj MS. Check how much active he is on LinkedIn. Then check his activity section as well. Okay, so you can start engaging on their post as well, or you can give them a follow request. You can click on more or start following with them and then give a connection request. Then you can do is show all activity. Okay, so let's say, for example, here's a guy who's posted a big exciting milestone in Giga Cars, and the journey has just begun. One store, one experience. So I'll give a like here. Now, if at all I want to post a comment, right? Okay, so first I'll see what others have written. Okay, so I need to give them congratulations. Okay, so I'll say hearty congratulations. Okay, now you have to use hashtag. Okay, so you will get their name here, Naveen. So see, as I have installed Grammarly app on my Google Chrome, this helps me to correct the grammatical errors. Correct? So next time when Naveen will open, he'll get the notification that I have given him a like and a comment. Click on post. So this is as simple. So this is how you have to engage with your target customers. I hope you got this right. Then you have to embrace influences. Okay? So I hope you're getting my points right. Yeah. Influencers are big on LinkedIn because they drive people to pages of businesses they are not yet familiar with. You can mention them in relevant posts in an effort to get them to comment in return, guys. Okay? You can ask them to contribute to your brand or provide feedback on your offerings. So this is something important. Or what you can do is you can do an interview with them and post it on your profile. Okay, so I'll tell you how to find influencers. You can even tag them and ask them to share in their own network. Okay, essentially, if influencers engage with you, everyone in their network can potentially see it. This then drives traffic to your page, and this will help to boost your LinkedIn engagement, guys. Okay, I hope you got it. Yeah, so let's find influencers. Okay, car dealers plus influencers plus India. Okay, or what you can do is car dealers plus influencers plus LinkedIn plus India. Okay, see, use the syntax. Arnav Singh is a car influencers. Okay, so I hope you got this right. So what you have to do is first you have to create the database of all the influencers in your niche. Okay, so let's we open this guy. LinkedIn profile. Arnav Singh. He is an automobile influencer. So you have to see and do the filtering part. So we'll find who is the influencer here. Car of Dreams influencers. All you can do is car dealers plus LinkedIn influencers. So here you can do some research. Online influencers in the car business. So you can find some information here. Okay guys, see, these guys are influencers in the car business. You have to engage with them. So what I'll do is I'll create a database from here. Okay, so this file here. Please engage with them guys. They have a huge following. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll share this LinkedIn article with you guys, and this will really help you to find influencers, car influencers. So you have to embrace influencers to expand your reach. This will further help you in your lead generation process. Okay, then you have to post consistently guys. LinkedIn promotes those who post frequently, so it's suggested that to post at least once or twice a day. Okay, so you might even consider pumping this 2, 3 to 4 times per day, but however, you have to keep in mind that these posts should be high quality, valuable, and relevant content. You have to never sacrifice quality for quantity. Your post has to be qualitative. Now it's important that you have to schedule your post to go live during peak times. Okay, either before or after work when people are still in business mode. So this is something you have to keep in mind guys. When is your target customer actually online? So you need to identify the peak time of the business. Okay, so you can also check your post performance data to identify which day of the week are best to be posting. Okay, so let's say for example we just did a research on influencers. I'll just open Glenn's profile over here. Okay, he's the influencer Glenn. He talks about training, leadership, and customer experience. Okay, so he has close to 5,993 followers. Okay, so we discussed on posting consistently. So what I'll do is I click on activity section. So you have to check how frequently he is actually posting, right? So just 4 hours before he is sent a post. Okay, so you have to be that consistent when it comes to your posting process. All right, so we'll see Ryan. Okay, he talks about automotive news, auto dealerships. He's an influencer, guys. He 31,735 followers. Okay, so definitely he's an influencer. You can get a very good customer base from through him. Okay, see, oh my god, that's a lot. Okay, you see 7 hours before he just sent a post, and this is how he's getting engagement. So here's written, what does the future of automotive retail look like? It's a framework that lowers distribution cost. Lowering cost to sell a service using A to Z single point of contact platform yields a better customer experience as well. Okay, so he has written the article, I believe. So let's open that. Oh, yes.
The feedback from customers has been unbelievable.
He created
Customers
a YouTube video for this.
that bought a car last time under the old
Okay, so what I'll do is I'll give him a like and comment here as well. Hey, hi. Thank you so much for the valuable information shared in the video. Thank you so much for the valuable information shared in the video. Sincerely appreciate. Okay, so you have to give this tag at the rate. Okay, so he gets a notification next time he sees this, he'll get a notification. So click on post. So that's how you start engaging on LinkedIn influencers. Okay, so basically, you need to find influencers on your LinkedIn profile as well. So this is Brian. Now, one more important thing is you have to be mobile friendly. 57% of LinkedIn traffic just actually come from mobile devices. So it is always best to optimize everything on a profile to look good and function well on the mobile app. Okay, so this will help people conveniently find, connect, and engage with you even if they are on the go. So what you have to do is guidelines for to be mobile friendly. When you're writing content, you should have two lines paragraph. Okay, always use white spacing in the content. I'll give you one interesting tool, guys. Okay, so here it is. Here text. Okay, this is an amazing tool. Okay, so let's say I'll copy hello everyone, mother this side. Okay, this is an amazing tool, guys. Via text. Okay, so I'll copy this tool in the notepad over here, so you can bookmark this as well. Okay, then what you can do is you can use this tool in your LinkedIn formatting. See, this is how it is. I click on home, I click on this, create a post. Oh no, I have to copy this particular post over here. Just click on copy, which font you want to select. Copy. See, this has become bold. This is magic, guys. So this is how we can format the content as well. So you could try text only post as well, or you can try native videos, or you can try text with images. You have to do a lot of A/B testing process. So guys, please use a text as well. Okay, I'll going to start. Then you can use relevant hashtags. Hashtags on LinkedIn are not searchable, and you can increase the visibility of post. But again, as a rule of thumb, you should not overdo hashtags. You can use 3 to 5 hashtags in your LinkedIn post as well. So aim is to have at least 6, but you can say 3 to 5. Okay, make sure they are relevant to your content, company, audience, and industry. Okay, so if ever you need any help or assistance, you can reach me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is +91 98502 Please give a like and comment as well. I would be happy to help you all. So before I end this session, I would like to give you a bonus step. Here it is. Okay, I'll say car dealers. Okay, so here there are different options you'll find. One is people, groups, jobs, post, companies, schools, courses, events. So I only want to find post of car dealers. So you can find from here. Click on post. This is magic, guys. So now you could see the postings of car dealers only. Okay, so this is what you have to understand. You have to first thoroughly research your competitors. What type of content your competitors are writing, what type of creators they're using, and then you have to come up with the best version than your competitors. If you scroll down here, okay, so this post has got 99 likes. Okay, so it's Skoda India. You can see Skoda is a big brand, almost 2 lakh 50,210 followers per year. You could see what type of posts they are publishing. Alright, guys, I hope this makes a lot of sense. Here you have to do a lot of engagement, and that's how this is going to help you get more customers, more recognition, and more inbound leads for your business, guys. Alright, so thank you so much for your valuable time. Have a good day. Bye bye.